hand you the
Okay.
network.
Jonggi nakaliang jongka hitu student wing lawan kendu ya isar Ambrosi at Semarak Secretary Education Department Government of Kalia demi kuat cingcai halor kacing slam ban yo ya scholarship tu kena ke hak cingi keren jong bat Secretary jongka Education Department Government of Kalia ti ilong panakaliang jong sorkar in naliang jong sorkar panakaliang suihi inle katbala ban baik kam kloy le ban wanra kam kloy ya kata ka scholarship ko bagadai ka bahak ka bagi kena kedai ban yo
Tapi kali ke ai kadau berlam.
kacing slam ban yo ya scholarship katkum kacing sai bang yo na secretary songka education naga secretary songka education department yung namar kidon ki error hakaliang jong ki mai smart jong ki bank account number nang kacing slam ban verification ya ada harkat plus nang ta sakawai long namar ki kena ki kidang operate ya ka bank account Facebook sumki naga minor sa kamicor ketah kacing sai bang yo na i
cũng cái chuyện sai trong education secretary trong cả yếu tính trong cả government of Malaya thì chuyện sai ông ba napok ka ministry kila ông ba it is mandatory ban don ya ka Aadhaar card kenang ba ka link ba ka PMFS ka scholarship kan poi ha respective bank accounts ang atake next step
Cuba
ka lada kidang yang slam tingi subuh puan mental lada kat kum gajing pan jungi ting la shu ong ban send yang ki alert si sin ban tip ki students ling ba ka SMS te lada ngi pat yo ya kata lani kino ki students ki bang pat yo ya kata ka SMS alert tingi na kaliang jungi ke hitu students swing tingin ya move yang si sin syaka education department ba ka NIC
cepi bu puara ya ka.
by the end of this month, by the end of this year, tingin we'll make sure ba kadai ban yo no ka scholarship haman ki students ki parang sa scholarship. Ba sure kata. Kaliang jong i secretary ti ong kumtahi inle akan bala te we'll see about that ngin sepet ya kata. Namar ngim patlaban patay mo namar itu ide jong ka education department tingin ngin ham ya pet ya ka hukum ai order jong ka NIC kan. National Informatics Center. Wan pet iki ki online alerts ne ki transactions ban push po ki bank respective bank accounts jong kino ki na apply ka scholarship